so I don't look down. Every single one of you.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
I can't even see you because I don't look down.
I'm not leaving. The show goes on. This is my home. They're gonna need a wrecking ball to take me out of here.
Don't look down.
Good timing, everybody, whether it's morning, evening, or in between, wherever you are in the world today. Welcome to unRekt Traders. Before we begin, please hit the like and subscribe and join us to share ideas, strategies, and learn together to make better trades. This is not financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. This is strictly my thoughts and ideas, so let's get that crypto. Today is July 15th, 2022. Coming into the monthly chart, just going to do a quick update just on the machine on Bitcoin. But we do have a possible target down below us at 12,000. We have resistance above us at 27,200, which is this bottom of the 20 Bollinger Band, which is white. And then we have our ultimate support down below, which is sitting in and around 50, let's just say 5,100. With the quasi down below, we do have the 10 slightly moving up, but the 10 and 20 are below the range. So price won't be able to more or less get above this 27,200 until that happens. Once this 10 does come up into that range, then price will want to try and get up into the 40,000 level. However, we do have these two resistances. Coming into the weekly, levels, we have resistance above us at 21,600 and support below us at 19,000. So this 20 Bollinger Band on the bottom is acting as a resistance and support down here below us. We can see clearly that this has held as support. This has held us down as resistance, slightly becoming into a squeeze. And then with the 10 into that range, price does want to come up into the possible target of 25,000. Now the 100 Bollinger Band is just sitting at the bottom of that range. It hasn't broken down. That's why this has acted as resistance. So currently we're kind of just in a little bit of a squeeze, kind of like this. And then we'll see whether we pop to the upside or further down. Coming into the daily. On the daily itself, we have resistance on the 3.2 Bollinger Band 20, which is white, at 23,000, I'll say 22,800. We do have support. This is actually support. Let me just delete that guy, create a new one real quick. So we have support at 20,155. And our lower support, which would be the stronger one, at 18,100. Now the 20 Bollinger Band has been cooled off for quite some time, basically from the beginning of July. When this does start to heat up and start to expand, then we could see price move in the direction that we're weighted to on the 20. Currently the 20 is weighted to the upside. So hopefully we can push into this possible target level of 23,700 and then possibly coming up into this resistance at 25,300. Coming into the 4-hour chart. I'm just going to have to quickly slide these over, readjust them a little bit. Apologize for that. But it makes it easier for you guys to see them. So this was our target over here, which we did hit, which we gave in the Discord live stream. The 10 has come down into that range. So we are looking at coming into here at 20,500. And then let's just move this guy, move this one here, and we'll put that guy there. So once this 20 does kind of drop into this range, if it does, it might act as support, the top of this 20 Bollinger Band. But if this 20 does come down into below plus 100, then we could see a possible move down to 20,000 again, basically filling in to probably the top of this candle here, which would be in and around 20,800, which is basically where this 20 is sitting anyway. And let's take a look at the 1 hour. And again, you're going to have to bear with me as I move these over. And let's just delete some of these guys. So our ultimate resistance on the 3.2 is at 21,250. We are hitting the top of the 20 Bollinger Band as of right now. It's well below the plus 100, so it will act as a resistance level as of now. So let me just clone this guy, put that there. And the 100 is support currently. The 100 is above that range. Let me change the color on that guy to yellow. And the 50 has come into that range, so it is still a possible target. We're basically just retesting the top of that 50 and 20, and then we could see the move down to this 50 Bollinger or 50 moving average for the mean reversion. This is where it wants to come to, so it is a possible target. However, the 100 is propping us up as it is above the range, and if the 50 breaks out because of where the 10 was at, so basically you can see that it came down to that 100. Couldn't drop below the 100. The 10 was pretty low. And then the 10, when it started to come back into that range, we looked for the mean reversion, which we got to this green 10. And it may rise up a little bit more, try to break out of this resistance band. It looks like it's kind of running out of steam. And then from there, we could drop down to the possible target of 20,300, if not even the possible target of the 20,060. And again, that would more or less fill in this candle to the top of this candle here. So it's possible it could come down to that 19, well, let's just say 20,000. Just put this guy there because it's the 3.2 support. All right, so that's pretty much the Bitcoin analysis for today. Looking quickly at the 30-minute, and we do have the possible target down here to the 20,300. Again, that 200 is acting as support, and the 10 just kind of moved up. We hit the target on that on the 10, sorry. Basically came up to the top of that 50. So we'll see if it can get above. If it can't, go into trend. So basically, once this 50 or 100 lifts up and above the plus 100 on the quasi range. If we can get above that, which doesn't look like it's going to, we could see a run up to the 21,100, but it is showing some weakness. And then possible target would be down below of 20,300 to the 20,000, let's just say. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. Just wanted to get a quick video out there to give everyone an update, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Wherever you are in the world today, whether it's morning, evening, or anywhere in between. Thanks for joining.